Oil drain torque, kinetic thread shear. Tightening an oil plug with maximum force does not prevent leaks. It physically shreds the metal threads. You must use a torque wrench to achieve elastic metal deformation, stretching the bolt mathematically just enough to seal without structural destruction. Old engine revving, high friction metal shear. Revving a cold engine is catastrophic. Oil thickens when cold, retreating to the oil pan. High RPMs force pistons to scrape against dry cylinder walls. You must idle to allow hydrostatic fluid boundaries to mathematically coat the metal before applying kinetic load. Lug nut sequencing, asymmetrical rotor warping. Tightening wheel nuts in a circle forcefully bends the metal brake rotor. You must tighten in a strict geometric star pattern. This mathematically distributes the kinetic clamping force evenly across the structural plane, preventing catastrophic high-speed vibration. Battery jump grounding, volatile gas ignition. Connecting the negative cable directly to the dead battery creates a kinetic spark directly over venting hydrogen gas, an explosive chemical risk. You must clamp to the engine block, utilizing the massive metal chassis to safely dissipate the electrical arc away from the volatile fumes. Lipid combustion, explosive phase transition. Throwing water on a grease fire is a lethal physics error. The water sinks, instantly hits 100 degrees, and boils into steam, violently aerosolizing the burning oil into a massive fireball. You must use a lid to mathematically starve the chemical reaction of atmospheric oxygen. Tire inflation specs, micro-contact patch distortion. Inflating to the max PSI on the tire wall causes the rubber to balloon, shrinking the road contact patch and risking hydroplaning. You must use the door jamb spec, engineered for the exact gravitational mass of the vehicle to maximize the geometric footprint. Phillips cam out, rotational torque slippage. Using a screwdriver that is one size too small physically forces the tool to ramp up and slip out of the screw head under pressure, stripping the metal. You must match the exact geometric angle of the bit to mathematically lock the rotational torque transfer. Downhill braking, thermal capacity overload. Riding your brakes down a mountain mathematically exceeds the metal's ability to dissipate heat. The pads glaze over, achieving zero friction. You must downshift, utilizing engine compression as an unyielding kinetic energy sink to slow the vehicle without thermal destruction. Wrench biomechanics, uncontrolled kinetic slippage. Pushing a tight wrench is biologically dangerous. When the bolt suddenly breaks free, your body weight generates an uncontrolled kinetic strike against the engine block. You must always pull the wrench, utilizing controlled muscular tension to mathematically absorb the sudden energy release. Chain lubrication, solvent extraction. Using WD-40 on a bicycle or motorcycle chain destroys it. WD-40 is a solvent. It mathematically dissolves and flushes out the factory-packed grease inside the rollers. You must use specialized wax or Teflon, which creates an unyielding dry polymer boundary layer to defeat metal friction. Dull blade physics, uncontrolled kinetic energy. Cutting with a dull blade requires massive physical pressure. This forces the blade to violently slip, releasing lethal kinetic energy into the operator. You must snap off the dull tip. A microscopic, razor-sharp edge requires minimal force, mathematically controlling the cellular shear. Wood grain abrasion, structural fiber severing. Sanding across the grain uses harsh friction to violently chop and sever the biological cellulose fibers, leaving deep, permanent structural scars. You must sand parallel to the grain, utilizing microscopic abrasion to mathematically smooth the existing biological channels. Internal corner measurement, geometric distortion error. Bending a steel tape measure into an internal corner mathematically guarantees a structural reading error due to the metal's radius. You must place the rigid plastic base of the tape body in the corner and mathematically add its printed length to the exact tape reading. Aerosol application. Gravity-induced fluid sagging. Blasting a thick layer of spray paint mathematically overloads the solvent evaporation rate. Gravity violently pulls the heavy liquid down into drips. You must apply microscopic thin coats, allowing the solvent to flash off instantly, chemically bonding the polymer layers without fluid sag. 9-volt storage. Closed-circuit thermal runaway. Throwing loose 9-volt batteries in a drawer guarantees a fire. If a stray piece of metal touches both adjacent terminals, it creates an unyielding closed circuit, forcing massive electrical discharge and catastrophic thermal runaway. You must isolate the terminals to guarantee infinite electrical resistance.
The Maillard reaction. Evaporative thermal blocking. Dropping wet meat into a hot pan is a thermodynamic failure. The thermal energy is instantly hijacked to violently boil the surface water, mathematically preventing the 300-degree threshold required to trigger the chemical Maillard-Browning reaction. Pan crowding, conductive thermal overload. Stuffing a pan with vegetables mathematically overwhelms the metal's thermal mass. The pan's temperature crashes, turning it from a high-heat searing surface into a low-temperature steam chamber, resulting in boiling, structurally destroyed cellular tissue. Cellular crushing, enzymatic aerosolization. Chopping an onion with a dull knife requires massive downward kinetic force. Instead of slicing, you violently crush the cellular walls, spraying volatile sulfoxide enzymes into the air. A microscopic razor edge physically cleanly severs the cells, mathematically trapping the chemical irritant inside. Hydrostatic reabsorption, fluid dynamic expulsion. Slicing meat immediately after cooking is a hydrodynamic disaster. High heat forces the biological fluids into the center under intense pressure. You must rest the meat, allowing the thermal gradient to neutralize and the muscle fibers to mathematically relax and reabsorb the liquid. Granular compaction, volumetric mass variance. Scooping flour with a measuring cup violently compresses the granular structure. 1 cup can contain mathematically 30% more actual mass depending on the kinetic force used. You must use a digital scale relying on absolute gravitational mass to guarantee chemical ratios. Thermal shock, differential geometric expansion. Blasting cold glass with direct broiler radiation mathematically forces the top layer to violently expand, while the core remains static. This extreme physical stress exceeds the tensile strength of the structure, triggering catastrophic, explosive shattering. Polymer scoring, kinetic abrasive destruction. Using metal spatulas on Teflon physically gouges the synthetic polyfluoropolymer coating. These microscopic lacerations destroy the hydrophobic barrier and expose the chemical layer to high heat degradation. You must use silicone to mathematically deflect kinetic impact. Exponential biological replication, the thermal danger zone. Leaving frozen meat on the counter is a biological hazard. The interior thaws instantly, entering the 40 to 140 degree danger zone, mathematically triggering exponential, explosive bacterial replication while the core remains completely frozen. Pitting corrosion, galvanic degradation. Dumping salt into cold water causes the dense sodium chloride crystals to sink directly to the stainless steel bottom. Before they dissolve, they undergo a localized chemical reaction, permanently eating microscopic pits into the unyielding metal alloy. Lipid interference, protein matrix failure. Attempting to whip egg whites in a plastic bowl fails. Plastic is lipophilic. It permanently traps microscopic fat molecules. Even a single droplet of lipid mathematically prevents the egg proteins from mechanically uncoiling and forming a rigid, trapped air structural matrix. Hydrostatic repulsion, molecular suspension. Oil and water mathematically repel each other. Dumping them together guarantees instant separation. You must introduce a chemical emulsifier, like mustard, while slowly dripping the oil, utilizing kinetic shearing to permanently lock the microscopic hydrophobic droplets into a stable molecular suspension. Microscopic edge realignment, kinetic edge folding. A knife does not quickly lose its edge. The microscopic steel apex simply folds over under repeated kinetic impact against the cutting board. Using a honing steel does not remove metal. It physically bends the unyielding steel apex mathematically back into absolute dead center. Enzymatic degradation, cellular chilling injury. Refrigerating tomatoes destroy their biological structure. Exposing the fruit to temperatures below 50 degrees mathematically halts the enzyme pathways that produce volatile flavor compounds, permanently rupturing the cellular walls and turning the firm flesh into a mealy, flavorless pulp. Starch gelatinization, viscous saturation. Boiling pasta in a small pot is a fluid dynamics error. The pasta violently releases massive amounts of starch. Without adequate water volume, the liquid mathematically reaches maximum viscous saturation, turning into an adhesive glue that permanently welds the geometric pasta shapes together. Allicin synthesis, cellular enzymatic explosion. Garlic flavor does not exist until you break it. Crushing a clove violently destroys massive amounts of cellular walls, instantly triggering a two-part chemical reaction that generates explosive, aggressive allicin. Slicing it carefully minimizes cellular shear, mathematically reducing the chemical synthesis.
Tensile metal fatigue, structural housing grip. Yanking a plug by the wire applies massive tensile stress directly to the fragile internal copper strands, inducing microscopic metal fatigue and snapping the connection. You must pull the hard plastic housing, utilizing the molded polymer to mathematically isolate the kinetic force from the wire. Convective asphyxiation, thermal throttling. Placing a laptop on a bed or pillow physically buries the intake vents in an insulating fabric barrier. The processor violently overheats, forcing the system to mathematically throttle performance to prevent melting. You must use a rigid, flat surface to guarantee unobstructed thermodynamic air convection. Lithium depletion, chemical matrix degradation. Purposely draining a lithium-ion battery to 0% is a destructive chemical myth. Deep discharging violently degrades the internal anode-cathode structure, permanently reducing its capacity. You must maintain the voltage between 20 and 80%, mathematically minimizing internal chemical stress. Minimum bend radius, geometric copper fracturing. Tightly wrapping a charger cable around its power brick forces the wire into a severe 90-degree angle. This mathematically violates the copper's minimum bend radius, crushing the internal shielding. You must coil the wire in loose, natural circles to eliminate kinetic pinch points. Hydrostatic bridging, microelectronic shorting. Spraying liquid cleaner directly onto a monitor mathematically guarantees disaster. Gravity pulls the fluid drops down behind the bottom bezel, instantly bridging the high-voltage ribbon cables and causing a catastrophic short circuit. You must spray the cloth, utilizing microfiber absorption to control fluid volume. NAND gate corruption, voltage severing. Ripping out a USB drive while it is writing data abruptly severs the electrical voltage supply. This leaves the microscopic NAND flash memory gates in an indeterminate, corrupted state.
Ejecting via software mathematically commands the controller to safely finalize and lock the logic gates before power loss. Cryogenic thermal shock, crystalline fracture. Holding a can of compressed air upside down or shaking it forcefully ejects liquid fluorocarbon at sub-zero temperatures. Blasting this onto a warm circuit board induces violent thermal contraction, physically shattering brittle silicon surface mount components. The can must remain perfectly vertical to expel only atmospheric gas. Daisy chaining, thermal resistance overload. Plugging one power strip directly into another violates the copper's maximum amperage rating. The electrical resistance compounds, mathematically converting the excess current into lethal thermal heat until the plastic housing violently melts and ignites. Thermal expansion, chemical outgassing. Leaving a phone in a hot car exposes the lithium battery to extreme ambient radiation. The internal chemical matrix rapidly breaks down and outgasses, physically swelling the sealed battery pouch. This geometric expansion risks catastrophic structural breach and explosive exothermic fire. Pin shear deformation, asymmetrical alignment error. Forcing a USB or HDMI cable in blind is a mechanical failure. The asymmetrical connector mathematically crushes the microscopic gold-plated pins against the housing, permanently destroying the photonic allelectrical data transfer matrix. Absolute visual alignment is required. Insulated thermal runaway, radiant heat trapping. Sleeping with a charging phone under your pillow is a thermodynamic hazard. The processor and battery naturally generate heat. The thick pillow acts as a massive thermal blanket, completely blocking radiant photon emission and triggering an uncontrolled localized temperature spike. Contact erosion, microscopic electrical arcing. Using a device with a worn-out loose charging port causes micro disconnects. Every time the contact breaks, a microscopic electrical arc jumps the gap. This arc turns ambient oxygen into ozone, violently burning away the copper contacts until absolute physical failure. PCB fracturing, elastic fastening limit. Over-tightening screws when installing a computer motherboard is catastrophic. The circuit board is filled with microscopic copper traces. Cranking the screw violently compresses the fiberglass layers, fracturing the internal data pathways. You must stop at absolute elastic resistance. Voltage fluctuation, microcontroller bypass. Using uncertified, ultra-cheap charging cables is an electrical gamble. They lack the required data pins to negotiate power levels with the device. This mathematically allows unregulated high-voltage current spikes to instantly incinerate the phone's charging IC chip. Kinetic puncture ignition, exothermic breach. Throwing lithium batteries into household trash is a lethally dangerous physics error. Garbage trucks use massive hydraulic compactors. Crushing a lithium cell instantly breaches the microscopic anode-cathode separator, causing a catastrophic internal short circuit and an explosive exothermic fire.